I'm Jessa. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Medela hand pump. Hello, so we are going to assemble the Medela hand pump today. So there's a lot of components. Let's just make sure we have all of them. So we have the base, which your collection cup fits into. We have these four components, this little O-ring and these two plastic components, a hard plastic, soft plastic, and the handle. Those four components assemble what allows you to actually do the pumping. We have this hard plastic yellow piece with this soft silicone component. These together act as your valve, and then we have the connector tube and the flange that goes actually onto your body. So those are all our pieces. So let's go ahead and assemble. It's possible that if you're looking at your pump that this O-ring is already attached, and that's great. It is essential for it to work. So I have here this hard piece, and this O-ring needs to fit there inside. So if you are missing that O-ring, the pump will not work and you need to order new ones. You can get those on Amazon. Maymom offers replacements of those. So let's go ahead and finish the pump assembly since we've already got this started. So this hard plastic piece is going to fit. There are two little pieces that kind of stick out here, little pushy outy pieces, and two little indents in this soft silicone. And so that will fit inside, and those two pieces, indents will line up with those parts that stick out. So that's goes there, so it comes through. And then this whole assembly goes into the handle. And so the handle has a portion that sticks out here, and that matches up with an indent. You can do this either way. It does not matter, as long as one of those indents is lined up, and you can press it so that it seals nicely on there, and then press it all the rest of the way around so that the silicone seals all the way on there. So that's the handle assembly. Then we'll go ahead and assemble these other components. So this soft silicone piece has a little portion that sticks out there, and that matches up with this half moon indent on this guy. So you need to make sure that that is nicely secured inside there. So press it, and then it should lay pretty flat. So if you find that there's any wrinkles or anything like that, it's probably a sign that you need to replace this silicone component. Again, you can buy replacements of those either from Medela or third party, Maymom or someone else on Amazon. This hard component fits into the bottom of this. So this is the connector component. Everything connects to this. You have your valve, you have your bottle, you have your handle, and you have your flange. So this is your connector. Everything connects to this. So this valve component fits into the bottom, and it doesn't matter which direction it's facing. It just needs to be nice and secure. The flange goes in the top side here. Fits inside. And then you have an indent here that's nice circular indent. That's where this handle component fits into. So that snaps in there. Then of course we have our collection bottle. So you screw that in nicely, nice and tight. And then that is the completed Medela hand pump assembly, and you can place it in your base so that it doesn't fall over.